This is a worker. He works every day. And this is an owner. He also makes money, but not the same way. Both wake up in the morning, both want a better life, but their money journeys go in opposite directions. The worker trades time for money. Hour in, cash out. Stop working, money stops too. Sounds normal, right? The owner looks different. He builds things first, things that keep working, even when he doesn't. Here's the scary part. From the outside, they look the same. But something invisible is happening. The worker runs faster, works harder, longer days, more effort. The owner waits quietly, patiently, letting systems do the work. Why isn't he rushing? The worker saves money, that's good. But savings just sit, they don't grow. The owner plants money not under a mattress, but into things that grow, money that makes money. One paycheck at a time. The worker moves forward, but the road never ends. One day, the worker checks his phone. Wait, the number changed. Money grew, without extra work. What just happened? Time passes, slowly, quietly, and small investments become big. Meanwhile, another worker keeps running. Same effort, same place. Hard work alone isn't enough. Side by side, same hours, different results. The owner explains it simply. Income is not wealth, assets are. This changes everything. The worker finally sees it. It's not about working more, it's about working smarter. Now money drips in, slow, steady, even on quiet days. The worker rests, but his money keeps working. This is the real goal. Same world, different choices, different futures. The other worker starts planting too, small steps, early steps. That's how it begins. Soon, many people grow wealth together, not overnight, but over time. Time is the secret weapon. The owner fades into the background. Because systems don't need applause, they just work. Wealth flows best when it flows quietly. No rush, no panic, just patience and growth. You can be a worker forever or build like an owner. The choice starts small, and it starts today. Learn how money works before you work forever.